So here we are again with the El Camino. Unfortunately, as you continue to paint, you start to realize you got some dents. Overall, I am very happy with the outcome. As for how shiny it is, it's not perfect. There is some orange peel to it, but I'm not going for perfect. I'm almost using this as a primer coat. I want the car to look nicer. I'll be happy if it just sits here and looks nicer. And I want the car to be able to be worked on without worrying about scratching the paint. Obviously, this car has a lot of work. I gotta pull the windows out and seal them without using home window sealant and funny stuff like that. I live on dirt road. It's going to get dusty. I'm gonna do burnouts. I'm gonna kick up rocks. It's gonna get chipped. It's gonna get scratched. It needs to be easy to repair. So this is how it's turning out. I have about $20 in this, 2 rattle cans, and I want to say sanding, cleaning, painting, taping, all of it. I have probably about an hour and 15 minutes invested in this so far. So I figure another rattle can for all the perimeter rattle can. So 3 more rattle cans, 4 rattle cans, 5 rattle cans, and 6 rattle cans. 7 for all the little details. The tailgate's just gonna get replaced because there isn't much I can do to really make that look any better. I can try to pop out all the dents, but it's already been bondoed, not in a good deal. I'm gonna put bed liner in it. I have that coming, so the bed will be lined as well with black. And if I use a total of about 10 cans on this project, it's going to be about $100 worth of paint. I'm not going to complain with $100 worth of paint. This is going to take me probably about 4 hours to do the whole thing, which 4-hour paint job rattle canned for $100. I can't complain on that. Sure, it might not be your style, but this car, my Corvette, that's Rust-Oleum Safety Red. In fact, what's funny is right here is 2 different colors. This is Rust-Oleum Safety Red. This is the stock Corvette color. You can't tell that apart. The shine is about equal on both, and that's because this is very old and this was not done correctly. I sprayed it with a sprayer for the side of a house, not a car. And then you have this car. This is Rust-Oleum black paint. I rolled this on with a roller. I will also say it is orange peeled to hell and back. If you can see that, there is a lot of orange peel, but I hand rolled this because at the time it was all I had and I wanted this car painted. So overall, this rattle can trick has actually been so far the best. So we're going to continue rattle canning it. I hope to just do 1 body panel at a time until I get the rest of this thing done, and we'll see how it turns out. So far I'm liking it. So far I'm happy.